At Blinn College, we have a fire, safety, and health degree where we train young men and women to go out into industry to be safety professionals. When they leave the program, they're going to be reviewing, analyzing, and evaluating work environments, and then developing policies and procedures and programs to help those companies mitigate safety hazards that they might have. Students will have a variety of career opportunities. If you really think about it, every company needs somebody that's well-versed in safety, whether it's construction, manufacturing, the fire department, the police department. And so there's so much opportunities in so many different industries that it really gives the students an opportunity to work in a lot of different places where they may have an interest. When the student leaves the fire safety and health degree, they're going to be well trained. We're going to have an internship at the last of the program where a student will actually go into an industry and work for those people. When they gain 1 year of experience, they're allowed to sit for their Associate Safety Professional certification, which is a great certification for them, and it's going to really increase their pay too when they get that certification. So very unique program with a lot of opportunities for the students.
I'm currently dual majoring in fire science technology and a safety degree because as a firefighter, with the 24 on, 48 off, or 48 on, 96 off schedule, you will have a lot of time off, and that is a great opportunity to build another career. My professors, especially like Mr. Dommel, Mr. Civils, they've been, I would say, like mentors to me. Like they've really inspired me and motivated me to go out into these two fields, safety and fire, to provide for my community and do good by citizens.